Hi everyone, Michael Sherry with Paul Sherry RVs. I was just working at my desk and repricing some units, and we have a great opportunity if you're out there looking for a really lightweight brand new travel trailer that you can buy for under $11,000. We have the Keystone Springdale Minis in stock right now and on sale. We have over 10 in stock amongst 3 different floor plans, and I'm going to show you one here in a second, but I do want to flip this around, jump to our website so you guys all know what you're looking at here. So this is our website, Paul Sherry RV. It'll look like this. I've got the Springdale Minis popped up. There's 3 floor plans. There's a 1700 FQ, which we have, I believe, 3 of those, priced at $10,900, as you can see right here. We have the 1750 rear dinette, priced at $10,900. I think there's also 3 of those. And then we have the 1800 bunkhouse, priced only at $10,900. You can see, or $10,500. You can see our normal price here is $12,900. In the manufacturer states we should sell it for $13,769. So I believe there's 3 of those 1800 BHs, and that's what I have pulled inside right behind me. And we're going to take a look at that today. So let's jump into this. This is the Keystone Springdale Mini. Again, this weighs under 4,000 pounds. This one weighs under 3,400 pounds. A 3,400 pounds single axle travel trailer. It has all the amenities that the big ones do. That has a built-in air conditioner, built-in furnace, built-in stove, refrigerator, shower. They're really cool travel trailers. So what the Springdale Minis have done is they made their trailers 8 foot wide, where compared to the competition, they're 6.5 to 7 foot wide. So you get a lot bigger footprint with the floor plan in there, a little bit bigger bed, dinette, everything's a little bit bigger in there, but you still get your short travel trailer that you can fit in and tow in various spots with a smaller tow vehicle. So a lot of benefits there. Also, this being a 2019, which all of those Springdales I just showed you are, they come with a 3-year industry's best warranty. And as long as I've been doing this in the RV business, that is the strongest warranty that I've ever seen come directly from a manufacturer. It comes from Keystone RV, which is the manufacturer of this RV. They are one of the largest manufacturer of towable RVs in the industry, and they've been doing it for a long time. So that's a strong warranty. That's them telling us as consumers that, look, we're building a quality product and we're going to guarantee the structure for 3 years and some items up to 25 years. And I've got a breakdown on that if you want to know a little bit more about that. I've done a YouTube video on that, so just YouTube Keystone 3-year warranty, you'll find me on there. Coming down the business side of the camper, you do have some pass-through storage up front here. And notice it goes all the way through to the other side. Again, this is the 1800 bunkhouse floor plan. And then you have stab jacks on all 4 corners. A lot of the competitions does not have the stab jacks. That would be an option. What these do is these keep the camper from rocking back and forth when you get to your campsite. Comes with a built-in power cord. It's 30 amp. Your water hookup is right here. This has both a fresh tank and a city water connection. So if you look to camp more primitive, it does have capabilities with that with your built-in water tank. Also has your water heater, so you won't go with cold water. So you do have a means to heat your water. Comes with a full-size spare tire, which is a must. A lot of companies, again, don't include that. Also, the Springdale Minis have the rounded roof. That's not my camera that's making that roof round. The roof is actually round. You never, ever, ever want to buy a flat roof camper. So always buy a rounded roof camper. That's going to allow the water as it rains to roll off and not puddle up there. When the water puddles up there, it eventually finds its way inside your camper and can do thousands of dollars in damage. For the 2019s, all of these will come with an awning on it. Adjustable awning, and they crank out right here very easily. All right, single step to get in. Again, this is the 1800 bunkhouse. Let's take a look inside. So up front here, we're looking at a queen bed. Spot for 2 sleeping up here. And above the bed, we have a nice rack and a wardrobe off here to the right. All the lighting in this is going to be LED lighting. It's very efficient and nice and bright. Coming into our right side of the camper that we're looking at, we have a big booth dinette that's going to come down for extra sleeping. Sleep one adult on there comfortably, or maybe two kids. So again, this one is priced red tag, no haggle price. This is like a, you know, almost like a fire sale, $10,500. So great deal. You can save over $3,000 from the manufacturer's suggested price. So again, once these are gone, they're gone. The 2020s are much more expensive. Built-in air conditioner here. Some cabinet storage up here. You have a spot for television and appropriate hookups for there. This has got the antenna up on the roof, so you'll be able to pick up your free TV stations. Also has the monitor panel, which is going to tell you the levels of your different holding tanks, your water tanks and waste tanks. And also this will turn your water pump on and turn on that water heater I showed you outside. So across from the booth dinette is going to be your kitchen. Has ample cabinet space up there, microwave, range hood, and a lot of countertop space for this short of a travel trailer. You notice all the countertop space along there. You have a plug-in here if you want to plug in any additional blenders or maybe a microwave, or not a microwave, toaster oven or something along that sort. And then down here we have something really unique. It's a dual mode RV refrigerator. This is going to work off of gas while you're going down the road to keep your food cool. Also has a built-in freezer up top here for the hot pockets or frozen veggies, and storage in the door there. So this will also, when you get to your campsite and plug it in and on. Okay, and now we have a built-in radio that's going to play your music inside and out. And your furnace down below here, 2 drawers. Good storage along the right, and more storage over here. All right, this is the bunkhouse model, which is going to come with 2 bunk beds. I'm 6 foot tall, and I can lay down full lengthwise on these to give you an idea. Come with a nice mattress. All right, behind this door is your bathroom, which typically in small trailers, your bathroom really is tiny, but this is a good sized bathroom. Notice your stool is outside of the shower, same with the sink, hot and cold water, even has a mirror there. Up top here, we do have a fan built into the vent, and we do have a stand-up shower here. So there's your shower head, and then this can also double as a tub, a bathtub, as it's got a nice, probably foot deep bathtub there. Great spot to wash off the small children or pets. So this is our Keystone Springdale mini sale. So come out and see us. I'll post links below of our current available inventory. By the time you're watching this video, they might all be sold. That's generally what happens when we put these videos up. Things sell really quick after people see that what great deals these are. So these are priced, and I was doing a little research before I started this video. Some people are asking more money for their used Keystone Springdale minis than what we're asking for these brand new. Again, these are brand new, never been used, full warranties. So make sure you take advantage of these awesome deals, and thank you for watching.